Alright, what is up guys? Db2 Alex here with the update on the Integra. So I got great news. The Integra, I got it running today. I wasn't planning on working on the car today, but I kind of just started messing with the wiring and I got it to work. So I'll show you guys exactly what I did. And I mean, I'll show you guys the car in general because I haven't showed you guys the car for like a month already. Got the wheels on and everything, got all the tie rods, everything's on. I need a new downpipe because the one I bought did not fit. So I did end up going with the rye wire tucked harness. I mean, it doesn't look so tucked right now, but I still have to clean up a lot of things. But I mean, I'm gonna be making all this nice. But for now, I did relocate the battery too. But yeah, so the problem was, well, I wasn't sure what the problem was at first, so that's why I ordered the harness, which is a rye wire harness. So I plugged everything in how the rye wire instructions come. So you're supposed to, so these go over here and you don't use your factory ECU plugs, but you're still supposed to plug in like 5 of the wires coming from over here to your old ECU pins. So I did that. So the problem I was having before is when I would put the ignition on the car, the only light that would turn on is the battery. So now I was like, alright, cool, I got the check engine light to turn on. So I was alright, cool, that's a step. So then I was wondering, why is the fuel pump not turning on? So I remember that this ground, every time I would ground this over here, the fuel pump would prime. So I was like, alright, I'm gonna try that and see if it works. Maybe with the wiring I did up there, there was some grounds that I had disconnected. Maybe that messed the one up here or shorted it out or something. So here, I'm gonna turn on the car for you guys here. I'm gonna have a little brother record. It's gonna be running a little weird right now because it is on 1000 cc injectors, and this tune right now is for 550 cc. So right now I'm just gonna jump the ground on the main relay. You can hear the fuel pump kick on, and then so yeah, I mean, you guys have no idea how happy I am right now. I've been trying to find this issue for like a month. I spent hours trying to find it. That's why I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna order this rye wire harness. So a big shout out to rye wire for making harnesses, because this shit worked. So I plugged it in, jumped the freaking ground on the main relay, and it's working. So still a lot of work to do. Have to button everything up, make it look nice, because I mean, I don't want to have wires all over the fucking place, but you know, this is a start. Having the car turn on right now really is gonna motivate me to try to finish this faster. So what I'm probably gonna do right now is drain the gas, because there's like a little bit of gas left. Then probably go get E85 right now. Then get my laptop and try to do, I mean, I don't know really how to tune or nothing, but I kind of know how to mess with the fuel and stuff, so I could probably get it to run a little cleaner than how it's running right now. So that's probably what I'm gonna do next. And yeah, I mean, shit, I don't know what to show you guys right now. Like, I'm just so juiced. I mean, I have the battery relocated back here, about a little box. I still have to mount this and all that too, but fuck, I'm so happy right now. Hell yeah. No leaking either. It doesn't look like it's leaking at all, which is pretty cool. So yeah, let's go get some E85 right now. Let's go get some E85 and then get the laptop. Sorry about the wind, and the sun. But yeah, let's go get some E85 right now. Empty out that gas and upload the little tune for it so it runs a little cleaner. And yeah. So I mean, I still need a lot of things for the car. Like, I still need to figure out something with the downpipe, so I need to figure that out. Then I need another intercooler. The intercooler I bought was way too big, so I just need like maybe 2 inches shorter. So I'm gonna do that. But yeah, let's go get some 85 right now. Alright guys, we just pulled up to the gas station. We got the one and only 85 yellow handle, feel me? So, I mean, all I can find is this little gas tank that my friend has, so gotta fill that up. And I have the laptop in my car, and then load up the tune, and hopefully it turns on, like, and idles a little better. My boy pulled up with the ST. Me and him and another friend, and maybe other friends might go. Well, we are gonna go racing tomorrow at the drag races in Sacramento, so yeah, I'm taking my slow ass Fox, and he's taking his ST. He's gonna try to break 13s in the ST, high 13s. That's what he's aiming for. So hopefully he can hit that. But anyways, that's for the tomorrow's video. So let's put E85 right now and get back home. All right, you see me get a little run in with my boy with the ST for fun. See me get a little hit right here down this road, down Mexico real quick. So get my little brother the camera and see if we can get a quick one in. Should be empty over here.
Over here.
Emptying all the gas out right now. And then only got a little bit of E85, but it should do. Nice E85. Well, 85's in. Now let's mess with the tune. Alright, we put the 85 on. I didn't even mess with the tune or nothing. It's holding idle at least. Nah, I won't, because I don't have the O2 thing plugged in. There's not even an exhaust. Temperature's still cool. Not too bad. I mean, it's holding idle, so it's cool. Now I just gotta button everything up and get it tuned. It's not running too bad. Let's give it a little rev. Temp's still cool anyways.
Yeah?
120. It's not. It's like a 900.
What's that idle right there?
Like 7.
That's pretty big.
Well, not too bad. What?
Your manifold?
It hasn't cracked yet. Why would it crack?
Bro, you see how fucking huge this shit is?
Oh, because if it's heavy?
Yeah.
I don't plan on sticking with that manifold for too long anyways. But
this shit is played.
when you need to get it tuned? Oh, well, I need to fix everything up still. Probably like in a month.
Check and shit.
Yeah, I need to check all these bolts and shit.
All the wiring.
It's been a minute since I touched it, so I might have forgot like some shit. I mean, I know most of it's like good. Just wiring took everything away. But fuck yeah, well, that ends this video, guys. So that's the update on the Integra. Fucking juice that I turned back on. I'm gonna slowly start doing, well, not slowly, I'm gonna try to get this done ASAP to get it tuned, but I'm still gonna take my time to do it right. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video, which should be drag racing. So deuces.